The story of the Indian Space Research Organisation, or ISRO, begins not in a fancy laboratory, but with a powerful dream. In the 1960s, a visionary scientist named Dr. Vikram Sarabhai saw the immense potential of space technology. He believed that even a developing nation like India could use space to solve the problems of its people. He imagined a future where satellites could connect remote villages, predict devastating cyclones, and help farmers grow more food. This was a bold idea at a time when space exploration was seen as a luxury for rich countries. Dr. Sarabhai's vision was simple yet profound: to use the most advanced science for the benefit of all Indians. This dream started to take shape in a small fishing village in Kerala called Thumba. The first rocket launched from India was so small that its parts were carried to the launch pad on a bicycle. The Church of St. Mary Magdalene became the first office for these brilliant scientists. It was a place of faith that became a place of science. This simple start shows the spirit of ISRO to achieve great things with limited resources, but unlimited determination. The primary goal was never about competing in a space race. Instead, it was about harnessing the power of space to uplift the nation and improve the lives of its citizens. Formally established on August 15, 1969, ISRO carried forward Dr. Sarabhai's mission with incredible dedication. The early teams worked tirelessly, building everything from scratch. They knew that for India to be truly independent, it needed its own space capabilities. They focused on developing indigenous technology, creating rockets and satellites designed and built in India. This self-reliance became a core principle of the organization. Every challenge was seen as an opportunity to learn and grow stronger, paving the way for the incredible successes that would follow in the coming decades, all built on this foundation of a simple dream. The journey was filled with obstacles, but the spirit of innovation never wavered. The scientists and engineers of ISRO were driven by a shared purpose. They were not just building machines, they were building a better future for their country. They worked long hours, often in basic facilities, fueled by passion and a sense of national pride. This early period of struggle and perseverance defined the character of ISRO. It created a culture of frugal engineering, or jugaad, where brilliant solutions were found with minimal cost. This unique approach would later surprise the world and become a hallmark of India's space odyssey. ISRO's journey from humble beginnings to a world-renowned space agency is marked by spectacular achievements. One of its greatest strengths has been developing its own launch vehicles, the powerful rockets that carry satellites into space. The Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, or PSLV, has become ISRO's trusted workhorse. It has an incredible track record, successfully launching hundreds of satellites for India and many other countries. This has made India a key player in the global space market. The development of the heavier Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, or GSLV, further enhanced India's ability to launch heavier communication satellites, making the nation truly self-sufficient in its space transportation needs. The entire world watched in awe as India embarked on its missions to the moon. The Chandrayaan-1 mission, launched in 2008, was a historic moment. It not only orbited the moon, but also made the groundbreaking discovery of water molecules on the lunar surface, changing our understanding of our celestial neighbor forever. A decade later, Chandrayaan-2 aimed to go even further by attempting a soft landing near the moon's south pole. While the lander faced challenges, the orbiter continues to circle the moon, sending back valuable scientific data. These missions demonstrated India's advanced technological capabilities and its ambition to explore the deepest mysteries of space. Perhaps the most celebrated achievement is the Mars Orbiter mission, affectionately known as Mangalyaan. Launched in 2013, this mission made India the first nation in the world to successfully reach Mars on its very first attempt. What made this feat even more remarkable was its incredibly low cost, less than the budget of many Hollywood space movies. Mangalyaan was a triumph of frugal engineering and meticulous planning. It captured the imagination of millions in India and around the globe, proving that a determined nation could achieve the impossible. The mission became a powerful symbol of Indian pride and scientific excellence on the world stage. Building on these successes, ISRO has continued to push the boundaries of what is possible. In 2017, it set a world record by launching 104 satellites on a single rocket, a stunning display of precision and efficiency. These achievements are not just about setting records. They are about building confidence and inspiring a new generation. Every successful launch, every new discovery, tells a story of human ingenuity and perseverance. From launching small rockets on bicycles to sending probes to Mars and the Moon, ISRO's journey is a powerful testament to the power of a big dream and the hard work it takes to make it a reality. While missions to the Moon and Mars capture headlines, the true success of ISRO lies in how it has touched the daily lives of ordinary Indians. The organization has always stayed true to Dr. Sarabhai's vision of using space for societal benefit. A vast network of Indian communication satellites, like the INSAT series, has revolutionized how we connect with each other. These satellites have brought television broadcasting to the farthest corners of the country, enabled mobile phone networks to expand, and provided reliable internet connectivity. They are the invisible backbone of modern India, supporting everything from ATM banking to digital classrooms in rural areas. ISRO's Earth observation satellites are like our eyes in the sky, constantly watching over the Indian subcontinent. They provide crucial information that helps in countless ways. For farmers, satellite data helps in predicting crop yields, monitoring soil health, and managing water resources more effectively. For city planners, it helps in managing urban expansion and monitoring infrastructure projects. These satellites also play a vital role in protecting our natural resources by tracking deforestation, monitoring water bodies, and helping to manage our precious forests and coastlines. This technology empowers better decision-making from the village level to the national level. One of the most critical contributions of ISRO has been in the area of weather forecasting and disaster management. Satellites provide early warnings for cyclones, floods, and other natural calamities. This information is life-saving. Accurate predictions allow authorities to evacuate people from vulnerable areas in time, drastically reducing the loss of life and property. Fishermen receive advance warnings about dangerous sea conditions, ensuring their safety. During disasters, communication satellites help coordinate rescue and relief efforts, ensuring that help reaches those who need it most. This direct impact on public safety is one of ISRO's proudest achievements. Furthermore, ISRO has developed its own regional navigation satellite system called NavIC, or Navigation with Indian Constellation. This is India's version of GPS. It provides accurate positioning services that are crucial for transportation, logistics, and emergency services across the country and the surrounding region. From guiding ships at sea to helping truck drivers find the best routes, NavIC enhances efficiency and security. By bringing space technology directly into the hands of its people, ISRO has demonstrated that space exploration is not a distant dream, but a powerful tool for national development and progress. ISRO's incredible journey from its modest origins to its current status as a global space power is a source of immense national pride. It has shown the world that with vision, dedication, and innovative thinking, a nation can achieve greatness. Each mission, from the first sounding rocket to the complex interplanetary probes, has been a stepping stone, building India's confidence and capabilities. ISRO is more than just a government agency, it is a symbol of what India can accomplish. It inspires millions of young students to dream big and pursue careers in science and technology, creating a skilled workforce that will drive the nation's progress for generations to come. Looking to the future, ISRO's ambitions are soaring higher than ever. The organization is preparing for its most ambitious project yet, the Gaganyaan mission. This mission aims to send Indian astronauts or Vyomanauts into space on an Indian spacecraft launched from Indian soil. This would make India only the fourth country in the world to achieve human spaceflight capability. The preparation is meticulous, involving the development of a human-rated launch vehicle, life support systems, and rigorous astronaut training. The success of Gaganyaan will mark a new era for India's space program, placing it in the elite club of spacefaring nations. Beyond human spaceflight, ISRO has a roadmap for further exploration of our solar system. Future missions are being planned for the Moon, including collaborative efforts with other space agencies for a lunar landing. There are also plans for a second mission to Mars, and even an ambitious mission to study Venus, Earth's mysterious twin. ISRO is also focusing on developing next-generation technologies, such as reusable launch vehicles, which will make access to space even more affordable and sustainable. These future projects promise to unlock new scientific discoveries and continue to push the frontiers of human knowledge. As we stand on this day, July 24, 2025, the story of ISRO is a powerful reminder that the sky is not the limit, it is just the beginning. The organization has successfully blended high-end scientific pursuits with the goal of societal well-being. It has made space technology accessible and beneficial for every Indian. By continuing to innovate and explore, ISRO is not only securing India's place among the stars, but is also building a brighter, more prosperous, and more connected future for the nation. The Indian Space Odyssey is a continuing saga of inspiration, achievement, and boundless dreams.